when you want to switch between VMware and the host, if you click right here in the screen, you will have access, you see, to the host. And if you want to release the mouse in order to get access to your host operating system, you just click Ctrl-Alt and you get out of this host so you can reach other menus outside, as you can see. Again, you want to get back, you just click right into the screen and you are inside again. And here you can click Ctrl-Alt-Enter to get full screen. If you don't get the full screen, you need to install VMware Tools, which is another option in the menu. It is called right here. In my case, install VMware Tools. In your case, it's going to say install VMware Tools. That's basically helping you to be able to get full screen, also be able to transfer files to your virtual machine, or to do copy-paste text into the clipboard easily. So that's pretty useful, because let's say that you have here, by the way, I just entered the terminal. Let's say that you are here, and let's get out of this. I'm just gonna open Notepad quickly. And let's say that you need to paste a really big chunk of code, whatever it is, right? And you want to copy any specific test outside your virtual machine. You just right click, copy. And when you get into your machine and you just right click and paste, you can see that you can get that. That's pretty useful, because sometimes you need to share information with other friends in that they don't have access to the virtual machine. Sometimes you find something in the host in a specific page that you want to share inside. So sometimes if you don't have VMware Tools enabled, that's gonna be a problem. And as you can see, this is pretty helpful. And here I just opened the terminal. As you can see, you can find it right at the top. Also, you can find here in the applications all the access to the different options. Here in Kali Linux, you have all the arsenal of tools, as you can see right there. We're going to talk about that in a second. And the first thing you need to do when you get access to the Kali is you need to change the password. As you remember, the password is store, so you don't want anyone to reach your Kali Linux system and get access to your host. So you just do passwd, enter, and then you will just enter your new password. Anything that you want to put there. Obviously, it's recommended strong password, which can be like 16 characters long and alphanumeric with special chars, and it's gonna say password updated successful. And that's very important because it's your root password, right? And finally, as you notice, I changed well, I'm gonna talk about it in the next lab. So you are inside. This is your Kali, and you're ready to go.